You can go whenever you're ready, man.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel DJMO Fishing. Today we are in the kayak fishing for bass on a new spot. I never fished this lake before, but I knew about this lake for a long time. This is the actual lake that is sitting at the foot of the Stone Mountain. So over here in Georgia, we have this gigantic rock and there's a huge park around it. It's a big attraction for tourists and even locals. I mean, I've been there a bunch of times, but it's a decent sized lake at the foot of this big giant rock. And I heard a lot of good things, but I also heard a lot of bad things about this spot. So we're gonna find out if the fish is good and hopefully catch a bunch of fish. So let's get to it.
Bear, come here. That's a good one right there. Oh, right on the top of the mouth. Look at this fish, guys. Like a 2-pounder. First one of the day. He was on that point. He's warm actually. So nice, beautiful fish. So first fish on the Stone Mountain Park. He got something going on. He's down there. All right, buddy. All right, so we got one fish so far, and I'm getting really excited. No way, we got another one. Oh my God, it's gonna be a great day. Wow, that's a nice one too. Come on, buddy. Oh, he's fighting. Look at that. Ah, let's go. Oh, it's even better. Look at that. Second one of the day. The even better fish. All right. Okay. Look at that fish right there. That's even better of a fish, second one. Almost around the same area here. It's probably like a 2-pounder.
All right, guys, there's the rock right there. So if you're not from the area, well, that's the biggest rock, the most famous rock in Georgia. You can actually go up there. They have this little thing that takes you up there and brings you down, or you can hike it from the backside. I've done both, and if you're not from the area and you're visiting, I recommend it. Pretty cool, nice views up there. You know, something to do, be with nature, something unique. So yeah, check it out if you're from the area or if you're just visiting. Pretty cool spot. Just can't believe there's not a fish there.
Got one. I knew there was a fish there. That feels good too. Feels like a good fish. Let's go. Ah. Oh, that's a good fish. Come here, baby. Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. Got him. All right. right, I think that's the best one of the day right there. By far. Take a look at this fish. Yep, definitely best fish of the day right there, guys. Probably like 2.5, 3 pounder. All right, guys, best fish of the day so far. Number 3, beautiful fish. We're gonna let him go. Thank you for playing, buddy. You can go whenever you're ready, man. All right, can we clear it? Yes, I think we can. All right, here we go. Ah, it's gonna be tight. Oh. Got it. Got him. Oh, it's a tiny one. All right. Got him, got him, got him. All right. All right, guys, smallest fish of the day. Probably like a pound or so. Gonna let him go. There he goes. Barely felt the bite on that one. Barely. This area is a little shallow, so he wanted the worm, so we gave it to him. Had a little deep, but we were able to get it out, swim off pretty good. All right, that's fish number 4, and I was hoping to be able to catch a 5-fish bag here, but it's getting a little bit late for me. Definitely gonna try, but it's been slow. Like I said, the conditions are pretty bad. I mean, this water is super murky. I'm using a dark but still natural color on my worm. I mean, I threw a bunch of other stuff. Haven't got bites on anything else, to be honest with you guys. So we didn't kill them today. We were not on them like that, but we definitely caught some decent fish. We got a bag of 4 so far, and I think if I had to guess, it would be like around 8 pounds. 8 pounds. Yeah, it's not much, but I definitely need to bring my scale, man. I gotta get my scale. I gotta make sure I put my scale so we'll be able to have an accurate bag, accurate weight on the bag. Got some rocks here though. Gotta lay down. Got some rocks. Come on, how many? Come on, baby. Come on. Got one. Fish number 5. That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh, yes. Oh. I think that's the best one of the day. Oh my God. No. No, don't do that. Ah. Okay. All right. Closing up the day with a nice fish, man. Nice fish. Oh Jesus, relax. I barely felt the bite. Look at this fish. That's a nice fish right there. Look at that. He got a little bump right there, but that is probably like 3 pounders right there. 3 pounds on that fish. Oh man. So take a picture of him. And I let him go. Thank you, buddy, man. Fish number 5 came out to play, and now he's gone. All right, guys, so we're making it back to the ramp. As you guys can see, we got a bag of 5 fish. Definitely fun day. We caught some decent ones. The smallest one we caught was around 1 pound, but we got 2 pounders, maybe 2.5 pounders, and we had a blast. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one.